so this is my toilet paper bandana version 2.0. I was just checking when I turned the camera around to make sure that it wasn't blurry, because that just happens sometimes. So I practiced my cello for most of the time that I needed to do tonight, but I still am going to practice it for some more time. So yeah, I have it out right here. Now I'm just going to get practicing. But I'm not going to vlog it because I've already done that a lot. Come on, is this a good shot? Okay, so right now I'm just about to eat dinner. It looks good tonight. The main dish is salmon salad. It looks really good and I can't wait to eat. Perfect centered!
Put it in the very close.
3, 2, 1, time!
3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's always so hard to make myself do homework, but now I just have to do it. But I have a big project, but at least I have all of Thanksgiving break to work on it. Well, I'm just gonna get started. It's actually, I'm gonna have to do some typing on the computer. I have to get out of my YouTube thing. Okay, so right now it's really late. It's past 10:30 p.m. And you might not be able to hear it, but like somewhere around there, my dog, she was shaking, and that's the noise that was made. So yeah, this vlog is not over yet. I'm kind of getting off track. Like I'm doing like the ending half of one day and then half of the next day. I need to get back on track and probably just make the vlogs one day each. And anyways, I hope you enjoyed just a few parts of this vlog that I've done today. It was barely anything. So, see you tomorrow. Okay, so today is, it's Sunday, November 22nd, 2015. So, today I have Hebrew school, so hopefully that won't be too bad. And I'm also kind of happy because I only have 2 days of this week and then I have 3 days off for Thanksgiving break. So hopefully I'll be able to make some good vlogs when Thanksgiving break comes. Oh, I'm at Hebrew school right now. I hope you like that cool shot. No, we're in the car that stopped. That was such lives! Oh! Oh! Lives! Oh! Okay. Lives. I'm vlogging out, honey! There you are! Honey's going to the classic food spot. And yes, I just got home from Hebrew school. So I hope the rest of my day is going to be good. Fapped it out. Yes, this is the real lens. Okay, so right now I'm just doing some of my homework. I'm making a political cartoon. Yeah, it's not that good, but I think it's okay. Okay, so right now my brother wants me to take a video of his remote control car. Oh, it went in the can jam. Oh, it seems to be stuck now. Oh, it's stuck. Should I take it out of there?
Okay.
Okay, so where do you want me to drive it?
Just wherever you want.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna follow it all the way over there.
That might be a little hard.
No, I'm gonna just drive it over there.
It won't work. It can't go over that.
Oh, it's
I
in.
guess it can. Look.
Oh, do you not like remote control cars? Well, I'm gonna end the video now. Okay, so right now, I think I'm gonna practice my cello pretty soon. I'm not gonna vlog it this time, or maybe I will. I don't know if I should. Well, you'll find out if you're watching this very soon. Maybe, honestly, yeah, I'm just gonna vlog some of it. Just a little bit. And this is really messy. Oh. Okay, why'd I do that? Why'd I just fall into that? I don't know. Still gotta get the camera. The next time you'll see me is practicing my cello. It was always 5:10, yes. Oh, this is my face. Look. Wish I could see what the camera was filming. It's probably terrible. Tell me in the comments. Okay, it actually wasn't terrible. You don't need to tell me in the comments. Okay, so right now it's 10:04. Well, at least according to this clock it is. So yeah, I'm about to go to bed. So yeah, I'm just gonna make it the end of this vlog because I'm kind of getting off track with my vlogs. Well, I hope you enjoyed this vlog, even though it's kind of boring probably. Well, okay, so anyways, see you around the corner. Bye.